What if the real reason your home isn't selling has nothing to do with the home and everything to do with how it's being marketed? Most sellers in Bowling Green have no idea how much money they lose just because of this. Some homes sit for months simply because of one avoidable mistake. Stay with me because I'm breaking down exactly why homes sit in our market and how to fix it. You're watching this because your home isn't selling, your last listing got zero traction, or you're planning to sell soon and you want to avoid the traps that hold other sellers back. I study our Bowling Green market every single week and I see what sells fast and I see what sits forever. And there are very clear patterns that most sellers and honestly even a lot of agents miss. So today I'm showing you the real reason that homes stay on the market here and the simple fixes that protect your leverage and your equity. Let's start with the numbers. Right now, median sales prices in Bowling Green are landing somewhere between the $265 and the $329 range, depending on which data source you're looking at. And the average home spends around 82 to 87 days on market. Now here's the part that most sellers never hear. A large portion of homes listed in 2025 never actually sold. Not because the market is failing, but because the strategy was failing. This is a competitive market, not a passive one. Here's a number that surprises people. When a home is on the market 0 to 14 days, the average price reduction is about 5%. But when a home sits 61 to 90 days, what does that look like? That reduction almost doubles to around 9%. That's thousands of dollars lost because the home sat too long. Pricing isn't about what you want, it's about data, psychology, and momentum. If you launch overpriced, you lose all three. Today's buyers don't go see homes, they scroll homes. Up to 97% start online. So if your home doesn't stop their scroll in the first 2 or 3 seconds, they're never booking a showing. Professional photography isn't just pretty pictures. Listings with professional photos actually sell faster, they get more views, and they attract more buyers. Your online presence is your first showing. So if a buyer doesn't love it there, they never even step foot inside. Let me give you a quick example. We recently toured a home where the only issues were peeling paint and some loose pieces of trim. Nothing major, nothing to stress out about. But the buyers immediately said, if that's not taken care of, what else is going on? The small maintenance issues can create big hesitation. Buyers today are more cautious, more cost aware, and more skeptical. So if your home looks like work, they either lower their offer or they skip the house completely. Putting a home in the MLS is the baseline, but it is not a marketing plan. The homes that sell fastest in Bowling Green have active intentional marketing behind them. Social media exposure, video walkthroughs, targeted online advertising, professional highlights of the home's best features. You have to think of it like this: visibility creates demand and demand creates value. Showing access can make or break your listing. This one's huge. If buyers can't get in easily, then they just won't come. They're seeing multiple homes in one day, and if yours is only available certain times or requires long showing notices, you lose momentum instantly. Every missed showing is a missed buyer, and missed buyers lead to longer days on market, which leads to lower offers. If your home is sitting in Bowling Green, it's almost never because the home is bad. It comes down to strategy. Your pricing, presentation, online marketing, condition, and showing access. These are all fixable and they make a huge difference. Most sellers don't need a listing appointment. They need a strategy session because the right plan from day one protects your leverage. It shortens your days on market and it helps you keep more of your equity. So if you're thinking about selling, even if you're 6 months out, click the link below and schedule a quick strategy call. It's free, it's simple, and it can save you weeks on the market and thousands of dollars.